Hello students. In today's lecture, we solve some examples on absolute value. Describe the set of real numbers x satisfying the following equality or inequality. Okay, we have to find the set of real numbers x satisfying this inequality. We solve here two examples, 1 and 2. Okay, we have to find value of x satisfying this inequality or equality. Our first example is of inequality, that is modulus of 2x minus 3 is less than 5. We have to find the value of x satisfying this inequality. So go for the solution for the equation 1 or example 1. Here we have given that modulus of 2x minus 3 is less than 5. So according to definition of mod, we can write here minus 5 is less than 2x minus 3 is less than 5. Since this we know that modulus of definition of modulus of x is equal to x when x is greater than 0, and modulus of x is equal to minus x when x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, that means using that definition of modulus, we write here modulus of 2x minus 3 is less than 5. So we can write here minus 5 is less than 2x minus 3 is less than 5. Okay, so value of x is lies between minus 5 and plus 5. Okay, so we have to find value of x. So we remove these 3 from middle of that equation. So we add 3 in each of the term. So we add minus 5 plus 3 less than 2x minus 3 plus 3 is less than 5 plus 3. Okay, so by solving this we get minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 3 will cancel, that is 2x, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So we get minus 2 is less than 2x is less than 8. Now we have to find only value of x. So we divide 2 from each of the term. प्रत्येक टर्मला आपण एका टर्मने 2 या टर्मने डिवाइड करूया. दॅट मीन्स हिअर वी गेट मायनस टू इंटू 1/2 2ने डिवाइड केलं आहे. 2xला 2ने डिवाइड केलं आहे म्हणजे 1/2ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं आहे इंटू 1/2 into 8. So by removing that, here 2 and 2 will cancel, that means minus 1. Here 2 and 2 will cancel, remains x, and here 2 divided by 8 divided by 2, so we get here 4. That means we get that relation minus 1 is less than x is less than 4. That means values of x are satisfying this inequality is minus 1 is less than x is less than 4. So that is set of real number satisfying this inequality is the set where x belongs to R such that minus 1x is less than x is less than 4. If the value of x is greater than minus 1 and less than 4, then this inequality will be satisfied. Okay, so in this way we find out values of x satisfying this equality. Okay, now go for the second example. Our second example is modulus of 3x minus 4 is equal to modulus of 7x plus 2. Okay, go for the solution for second example. Modulus of 3x minus 4 is equal to modulus of 7x plus 2. Okay, modulus gives us positive or negative value. So here we use the property of modulus of x square is equal to x square. We will prove this theorem or this identity or proportion to in previous lecture. Modulus of x square is equal to x square. Okay, so using that identity, here modulus of 3x minus 4 square is equal to 7x plus 2 square. Okay, this result is given here. Modulus of a square is a square. So modulus of 3x minus 4 square is 3x minus 4 square. Modulus of 7x plus 2 square is 7x plus 2 square. Now squaring on both sides. So square of 3x minus 4 square, that means the expansion in the form of a minus b bracket square. So by this way here we get a minus b bracket square. What is expansion of a minus b bracket square? A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, using that formula Here value of a is 3x and value of b is 4. That means here we get 9x square minus 2 into 3x into 4. That means minus 24x plus b square. Value of b is 4. 4 square is 16. 9x square minus 24x plus 16. Okay. Now 7x plus 2 bracket square. 7x plus 2, that means a plus b bracket square. So same formula here. Only sign will changes. 7x plus 2. 7x square 49x square. Okay. Plus 2ab. 7x into 2 into 2. That is 28x plus 2 square is 4. Okay. So by expanding that we get here 9x square plus 16x minus 24x plus 16 is equal to 49x square plus 28x plus 4. Okay. So we take all this term uh, to the right hand side. So 49x square minus 9x square, which is 40x square. Then 28x plus 24x. इथे मायनस आहे, तिकडे गेल्यावर प्लस होणार. 28x plus 24x, which is equal to 52x. And here 16 plus 16 इकडे गेल्यावर minus 16 होणार. That is 4 minus 16, which is minus 12. So by solving this we get here 14x square plus 52x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Divide 4. Okay, dividing 4 to this polynomial. या polynomial आपण 4 ने divide करूया. म्हणजे काय मिळेल बघा, 40 divided by 4 which is 10x square. 52 divided by 4 that is 13x and 12 divided by 4 that is 3. So here we get the polynomial 10x square plus 13x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now it is quadratic equation. हे quadratic equation आहे. x ची power 2 आहे. ओके. सो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आहे म्हणजे काय करावे लागेल, आपले याचे फॅक्टर पडावे लागतील. आता याचे फॅक्टर पडताना कोइफिशियंट एक्स स्क्वेअरचं कोइफिशियंट 10 आहे. ओके. ह्या कॉन्स्टंटने या कोइफिशियंटने आपण कॉन्स्टंटला मल्टिप्लाय करतो. दॅट इज वी हॅव टू फाइंड अ पेअर ऑफ टू नंबर्स. ओके. विच गिव्स अस सम इज इक्वल टू और प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू -30. Okay, once a minute. Okay, here product is equal to -30 and sum is equal to 13. Okay, taking multiplication of these two numbers since x square has coefficient. So we have product is equal to -30 and sum is equal to 13. So there are two numbers 15 and 2. Okay, the numbers are 15 and 2 plus 15 and -2. Check that number, plus 15 and -2. 15 into -2 which gives you -30 and plus 15 minus 2 which is 13. So okay, so satisfying this condition, the numbers are 15 and 2 which satisfies this condition. Okay, so we take factorization of this polynomial. Okay, माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना कसं करायचं. 10x square, this 13x can be written in the form of 15x minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 13x can be written in the form of 15x minus 2x. Okay, so from this, okay, the first two terms we take 5x will be common. 5x common, so bracket contains 2x plus 3. Here take -1 is common, so bracket contain 2x plus 3. Okay, now in these two terms there are 2x plus 3 is the common term, so taking common 2x plus 3, that means bracket contains 5x minus 1. So factor of this polynomial 10x square plus 13x minus 3 is equal to 0. We get here 5x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, that means here we get here multiplication of two terms is equal to 0. Oh, okay, we know that either a into b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. जेव्हा दोन टर्मचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 0 असतो तेव्हा त्यातला कुठला तरी एक नंबर 0 असतो. ओके, सपोज 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. If 5x minus 1 is equal to 0, then value of 5x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 5. If 2x 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, then 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. That means 2x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay. So the set of real numbers satisfying the given equality is, दोन नंबर्स मिळालेत आपल्याला. एक्सची व्हॅल्यू एकतर x is equal to 1/5 and x is equal to minus 3/2. There are two numbers which satisfying the given equality. जी आपल्याला इक्वॅलिटी दिलेली आहे ती इक्वॅलिटी सॅटिस्फाय करणारे दोन नंबर मिळालेत. ओके. ते नंबर्स कोणते आहेत? 1/5 and minus 3/2 is the solution set of that equality. Okay. Here our example is completed. ओके. आता हेच एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करण्याची आणखी एक मेथड आहे, ती मेथड बघूया. अल्टरनेटिव्ह मेथड आहे. ओके. तुम्हाला जी सोपी वाटेल ते तुम्ही यूज करा. इक्विव्हॅलंटली मेथड म्हणजे ही एक दुसरी मेथड आहे त्याचीच. वी कॅन मेक यूज ऑफ दॅट. मॉड्युलस ऑफ ए गिव्ज यू पॉझिटिव्ह ऑफ ए ऑर निगेटिव्ह ऑफ ए. मॉड्युलस ऑफ ए असेल तर मॉड्युलस ऑफ ए गिव्ज यू आयदर पॉझिटिव्ह ए ऑर निगेटिव्ह ए. म्हणजे ए जर मॉड्युलस ऑफ एची व्हॅल्यू हे आयदर पॉझिटिव्ह किंवा निगेटिव्ह असते, डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ए. ओके. मग आता त्याचा आपण यूज करणार आहे. ओके. सो हिअर वी यूज दॅट कन्सेप्ट हिअर. So modulus of 3x plus 4 means this term is positive or negative 3x minus 4. Modulus of 7x 2, that means this term is positive or negative 7x plus 2. Okay. Now solving. If 3x minus 4, आता ह्याच्यात चार कॉम्बिनेशन असणार. फर्स्ट टर्म इज पॉझिटिव्ह, सेकंड टर्म इज पॉझिटिव्ह, फर्स्ट टर्म इज पॉझिटिव्ह, सेकंड टर्म इज निगेटिव्ह. नाही, फर्स्ट टर्म इज पॉझिटिव्ह, सेकंड टर्म इज फर्स्ट टर्म इज निगेटिव्ह, सेकंड टर्म इज पॉझिटिव्ह, फर्स्ट टर्म इज निगेटिव्ह, सेकंड टर्म इज निगेटिव्ह. ओके. अशा चार टर्म आपल्याला चार कॉम्बिनेशन वापरायच्या. त्यातलं आपण पहिलं वापरूया. पहिली टर्म ही पॉझिटिव्ह कन्सिडर करूया. सपोज 3x minus 4 is equal to 7x plus 2. 3x minus 4 is equal to 7x plus 2. Okay. Then we get value of x. Value of x, that is 3x इकडे नेले. 7x minus 4, 3x is 4x and 4x is equal to minus 6. That means by solving this we get x is equal to minus 3/2. Also, if we consider 3x minus 4 is equal to minus 7x plus 2. आता हे निगेटिव्ह घेतले. पहिल्यांदा पॉझिटिव्ह घेतली, दुसऱ्यांदा निगेटिव्ह घेतली. ओके. इफ इट टेक निगेटिव्ह and by solving this equation we get value of x is equal to 1/5. ओके. पहिलं कॉम्बिनेशन झालं. फर्स्ट टर्म इज पॉझिटिव्ह, सेकंड टर्म इज पॉझिटिव्ह, first term is positive, second term is positive, first term is positive, second term is negative. We get the values of x are minus 3/2 and x is equal to 1/5. Okay. Now our next combination, आपण पहिली टर्म पॉझिटिव्ह घेतली होती. ओके. सो सिमिलरली by solving first term negative, minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 7x plus 2. First term is negative and second term is positive. Also we get values of x is equal to 1/5. हे तुम्ही सॉल्व करून बघा. हे सॉल्व केल्यावर सुद्धा एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 1/5 मिळते. अँड सॉल्विंग फर्स्ट टर्म इज निगेटिव्ह, सेकंड टर्म इज निगेटिव्ह, फर्स्ट टर्म इज निगेटिव्ह, सेकंड टर्म इज ऑल्सो निगेटिव्ह. वी गेट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज minus 3/2. ओके. म्हणजे तुम्ही कुठल्याही वेने केलं, पहिली मेथड वापरली किंवा दुसरी मेथड वापरले, तुम्हाला आन्सर सेम असं मिळणार आहे. तुम्हाला जे सोपं वाटेल ती मेथड तुम्ही यूज करा. ओके.